Area I salute to the welcome for football and Pidgin. After match, talk about how you see them. I beg, if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, don't forget to press that subscribe button. Turn on the notification button. Like, share, and drop comment for inside this video. Arsenal 3 and Manchester United 2. And we get Oga Idafe. We be like, Ogbonge Man U fan. But Oga Idafe, you predict say Arsenal go win this match. When you predict some Man U fans begin counter you for the social media lifestyle. Say, why this guy go say be Man U fan? And he'll come say Arsenal go win. Now what do you see before this match wey make you as a Man U fan, you know to say your team go win? Why you talk like that? And today Arsenal can win this match. Why you talk like that?
You see, we don't watch ball, we don't watch ball now since 2004.
You know what you talk?
Yes, now since 2004, that's about Man U. I mean today, I watch the schools, I don't watch the gigs pass, so not a matter of say you be fan. If they watch the league they come since, you go know say now only miracle will make Man U beat Arsenal. One person does gas lose guard. The team they okay now, the team they balance. Everybody they not be say any player injured. When we play first leg, now Sambi Lokonga and I play midfield. Not be party. Everybody know what party they do to that team. The input he has in that team, everybody know. Today now I'm not gonna get Casemiro. Everybody watch Man U Crystal Palace. Everybody knows say Casemiro pick yellow card when make them suspend them for this match. And then Casemiro for people provide that balance when United need to match Arsenal. Casemiro not come there. And then McTominay they won't hold their Saka. Saka then they red hot form. Anybody in the watch ball without sentiment go know say Arsenal go beat Man U today. But Man U gonna let that shock me. And I believe say Man U go feel
Start the way they start.
Yes, Man U started very well. Yes. Now I can go when Rashford score. It reminds us of Rashford of before. Rashford did red hot form. Since World Cup, he did red hot form. So, Man U impressed me. For my team, I did proud of United. I did very, very proud of United. Forget say we lose the match. I did very, very proud of United. You go look at Mikel Arteta, not the Arsenal team. Ten Hag does it come.
So make we still give
so
our
now
time.
process.
And we don't already see the workings when Ten Hag they do already. We see improvement already.
We don't see the improvement already. Ten Hag does it come. Mikel Arteta in our process. If Mikel Arteta win the league, it will mean say okay, he don't work for him. He deserve him. He deserve him. Even when Guardiola first come, in first season he carried third. And the next season he can't win league. So everything that process, Ten Hag does it come. Ten Hag took over a damaged United team. From Ragnick do your own pass, Solskjaer lost grip of the team, and Ragnick do rubbish. Today go talk the air, tomorrow go talk Man U day 7, day 6. We'll not even go Champions League, we're going to later go Europa. But Ten Hag come, take over the team, bring new philosophy to the team. And now, Man U they feel the whole body knock ball. Now if I say Arsenal now, team will not solidify. No, Man U they feel the whole body knock ball. I'm proud of my team, whether we lose or whether we win. I'm proud of this team. And also we will finish top 4.
All right, now, Guy Daffy. For this game today, who will be your man of the match?
That's a hard question though. Okay, but I go do it this way. For the two teams, I go pick one man of the match.
All right.
So for Arsenal boys, I go say Odegaard. Saka today, I go say Odegaard. Because what Odegaard they do for that midfield, the boy an artist. I even surprised say Madrid even let him go. The boy an artist, the boy a magician. I go say Odegaard. But Saka too, na person whereby if he see be one of the match. Because the guy does a disturb shot for that wing. Saka too. Then for United, I go say Rashford. Rashford did very well. Even when they come out that right back, they come bring it to Miyasu. Rashford still use him. I go say Rashford. Eriksen not leaded the game today. But now Rashford. So I go say Rashford.
So one last question.
For defense, Lisandro Martinez do very well.
So one last one for you, Guy Daffy. To you think say Casemiro absence for this game join one or lose?
Affected us adversely. He affect us well. Casemiro if you watch United game, Casemiro it was now him be the least technical midfielder for the Madrid midfield. I always talk this and say now him be the least technical. Casemiro now to win ball for Madrid. Cruz and Modric go do the rest. But for United, Casemiro go win ball. They go start counter. Casemiro go pass ball. It's in a correct pass. McTominay and Fred no get those kind of qualities. So we know how Casemiro be. Casemiro they open the game. Once you open the game, people don't they run. We miss am for this.
But before I will let you go, what do you get to tell all those Man U fans when be the blasting when you predict say Arsenal go win this game? Some of them talk say this guy no be Man U fan. This guy they be like say this guy he already did the camp. Some say be like say the camp come. What do you get to tell all those your fellow Man U fans when be the blasting when you predict Arsenal win?
One love. One love for them.
All right now, guys. My country people, now lawyer boy across where they lawyer like lawyer me. I say make I thank you as you take watch this our content. But make you don't forget to show us love. Press that subscribe button, like our content, and make you share it with your friends and family. And also the way you go take follow us for the different social media platforms, they for the description for inside this video.